Hey there, iPhone users! Welcome to Eassiy Official. Screen time on iOS devices helps monitor and limit usage, protected by a passcode to prevent unauthorized changes. If you forget the passcode, there are ways to turn off screen time, with options to keep or lose your data. About screen time passcode. The screen time passcode is separate from your device's lock screen passcode. It's used to prevent unauthorized access to the screen time settings, such as changing usage limits or turning off screen time. If you forget the passcode, you'll need to follow specific steps to regain control of the device. How to turn off screen time without passcode and data loss. Way 1. Use Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Passixer iPhone Unlocker is trusted software that disables screen time on iPhones or iPads without needing the passcode or affecting data. Depending on your iOS version, it can remove or recover the passcode. It also unlocks disabled devices and bypasses iCloud or Apple ID. Simply install Passixer iPhone Unlocker from the official website. Install it on your device, then open the software. Select Screen Time, connect your device via USB, and follow the on-screen steps. For devices running iOS 12 or later, if the Find My feature is disabled, Passixer will automatically begin removing the screen time passcode. For iOS 11 or earlier, if the iTunes backup is not encrypted, the software will proceed with the removal directly. However, if the backup is encrypted, you can use the Passixer Remove Backup Encryption Settings option if you forgot the password. Otherwise, you must enter the iTunes backup password to decrypt it. Once decrypted, Passixer will retrieve and display the screen time passcode, which you can then enter on your device to turn off screen time. Way 2. Change screen time passcode via Apple ID for iOS 13.4 or later. To turn off screen time without a passcode on your iPhone, you can use your Apple ID and password. Start by opening the Settings app and selecting the Screen Time option. In the next menu, tap on Change Screen Time Passcode, and then choose the Forgot Passcode option. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID and password. Once you've done that, you can reset the passcode. This will allow you to deactivate screen time without needing the original passcode, making it easier to manage settings. How to disable screen time without a passcode, though it involves data loss. Way 1. Restore your iPhone via iTunes. If your computer isn't recognizing your device, try these steps based on your iPhone model. For iPhone X and newer models, including the iPhone SE 2nd generation, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 Plus, start by powering off your device. Next, press and hold the side button while connecting it to your computer. For the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold the volume down button while making the connection. If you're using the iPhone SE 1st generation or earlier models like the iPhone 6, hold down the home button while plugging it in. Once you're in recovery mode, open Finder on a Mac or iTunes on a Windows PC. When prompted, choose Restore and Update. Be sure not to disconnect your device during this process. Once it's finished, you can restore from a backup if you have one. Way 2. Erase iPhone with iCloud. Just go to iCloud.com in any web browser and log in with your Apple ID and password. If you've got two-factor authentication set up, you'll have to take care of that too. Once you're in, click on the Find iPhone option. Then, hit All Devices at the top and select your iPad from the list. Click Erase iPhone and confirm that you want to wipe everything. You might have to enter your Apple ID password again to finish up. After that, your iPad will start erasing, which will take a few minutes. When it's done, it'll restart like it's completely new. Way 3. Wipe iPhone through Find My app. If you can access the Apple ID linked to the device, you can use another Apple device for help. Open the Find My app and tap the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Select your iPhone from the list of options, then scroll down and choose Erase this device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the erasure process. If you have any questions or need additional help, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for the next one and remember to subscribe, like, and share. Your support is truly appreciated.